Here I have MAXCOM MS456 and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. Release them as soon as boot mode pops up on the screen. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. So let's choose the Fastboot and press volume down to confirm it. As you can see right here, the device is in Fastboot mode. So you can use this mode, or you can simply quit it by pressing power key for a long time. Let me show you. Keep holding power button. When your device goes blank, you can release power key. Now your smartphone is restarting and rebooting. Excellent, now your device is in normal mode, you can use your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.